Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to scan any document on iPhone without third-party apps. So just take a document. First open your Note apps. Okay, click on to plus option, create new option and showing it to link icon. Press on, you get scan document option and just take a document, easily scan. If you want to crop or adjust, right mark. If you want to retake, filter, rotate, showing it to more feature, right mark. If you want to make it to PDF or any, so that's it.